This is question 45 from the GATE 2022 EC paper, where we are given the following series and are asked to find out for which of the following combinations of C and D from these options does this series converge. Underneath the question, you will find the title of the NPTEL course or video relevant to this topic. So if you have a series A of n, right, all positive numbers, let's say, then the series will definitely converge if the limit as n tends to infinity, a of n plus 1 by a of n is less than 1, right? If it is equal to 1, then you can't say anything, and if it is greater than 1, it diverges. Right? So what is this called? This is called the ratio test of convergence. Now in this question we are given the series n power t by c power n, and we are given 4 options. So let's go over them one by one. So we have option A, c equal to 1 and d equal to minus 1. That is, we have summation equal to 1 to infinity a sub n, where the sequence a sub n is given by n power d divided by c power n, which is 1 by n. And we know that in general, summation over 1 by n power p n equal to 1 to infinity, it will converge for p is strictly greater than 1, and it will diverge for p is less than equal to 1. Right? So option A is not true. Now let's look at option B. Right? Option B is that C equal to 2 and D equal to 1. Now what is going to be the ratio test for this? Is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 power n plus 1 times 2 power n by n. This is half into 1 plus 1 over n. Now the limit as n tends to infinity for this will give you half, which is less than 1. So B converges. Now what about C? C is equal to 0.5 and D equal to minus 10. Right? The same thing you can do is going to be n plus 1 to the power minus 10 divided by half power n plus 1 times half power n by n power minus 10. This is just going to be 1 plus 1 over n to the power minus 10 times 2, and as limit n tends to infinity, this is going to be 2, which is greater than 1. So we have option C also not converging, right? So option A doesn't converge, B converges, C doesn't converge, and now option D. Option D is C equal to 1, D equal to minus 2, right? So we get summation n equal to, so we get an is equal to n power minus 2 by 1 power n, which is 1 by n square. And of course, right? So this is now a standard series, right? We know that this actually converges to pi square over 6, right? So you will notice that the p equal to 1 case is option 1, right? But over here you have p equal to 2, so it will converge. So the answers are B and D will converge, A and C will diverge. The correct options are B and D.